Hey, Steve Adamson, Strike Force Zebra. We're here with SEMA 2017. Let me show you a couple products that we've got here. These are our half doors, our lowers. Pretty easy design. They're roto-molded plastic, super lightweight, a ton of cargo space. Shuts easy. We give you a sealed edge around all the door, and they're very durable. We recently finished the design and development of our uppers. As you can see, our fronts are ready to go. On and off with 4 connections, a sliding window with a lock, and an outside key when you want to lock the door. We just finished our development. They're in production of our rears. We're also doing some soft uppers as well. This is our central command. You can pull 200 amps off the battery if you want to in a resettable circuit breaker. We give you 8 fuses, 8 relays with 4 additional fuses, all into an 11-foot wiring harness through a watertight boot coming back through the firewall. At any time you want to hook up an accessory, it's as simple as taking your accessory, chassis ground it, strip, crimp, and seal, and I tell you where to put the connector. They're all watertight sealed connectors. Let's say you want to just add something that doesn't need a relay, just a fuse circuit like a CB on the inside. You've already pulled 5 fuse circuits back in there through our wiring harness. Again, strip, crimp, seal. Undo your automotive connector, pull the rubber plug, put it back in, and you're good to go. Same thing with adding a light bar. Did you notice we make light bar mounts? They set up high off the grill. Strip, crimp, seal, and you're done. You're good to go. We give you 8 Parling rocker switches. You can change the faces out to be customized whatever you want. That mounts in a multiple area wherever you want to through our CB mount. That's what we give you. You could mount it to a ram ball up on top of the dash, maybe with a magnet mount on your A-pillar, wherever you want to make that work. This is our security box. Again, roto-molded plastic. It's a great seal on the inside. It's lockable. Put whatever you want. We give you all the hardware to mount that against your tailgate, maybe on the inside of a Jeep, a truck, wherever you want to use that. Tough, rugged, rigid, UV protected, ready to go. Let me show you another product that we just launched at SEMA this week. This is our app-based, it's called Air Command, Air Up, Air Down tool. And it's as simple as just this small box right here. You mount this on the inside of your vehicle. We give you all the connections to take it to all 4 tires. What we're going to show you today is just hooked up to 1 tire through a simple, easy connect, push connect. I come to my app, I enter my access code. Maybe I want to go to my favorites. Last time I was in Moab, I aired down to 11. I'm currently at 28. I want to air down to 11, and I push air down. Now we give you some connections and all the fittings and the hoses, 3/8-inch hose, so it's going to move some flow through there. You can hear it sample for a little bit. It's literally opening up and deflating while we talk. I can go ahead and disconnect my sway bars. I can take my mud flaps off, do whatever, drink a Pepsi, and chat with the guys as they're breaking their back, taking those stupid Schrader valves out, right, and losing them. All the time, I'm sampling, I'm decompressing, and taking air out of all 4 of my tires all at once. We give you 2 connectors, one for each side of your vehicle, quick connects, and hook all of this up all at once. When it's done, it'll say operation complete, stops, quick disconnect undone, and you're good to go to the trail. When you're ready to air up, do the exact same thing. Quick connect to all 4 tires. You choose whatever your power supply or your air supply, is. ARB air compressor, via air, power tank, whatever it is. We already have ours hooked up. We're running dual ARBs underneath. Connects into our fittings. We leave them connected